Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.5 solved by Gaussian elimination method. Question number 1 solution 1. Here we are going to solve the linear equation with 3 variables by using Gauss elimination method. The matrix equation is write all the coefficient of x, y, z 2 minus 2 3 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 x y z which is equal to constant value 2 3 1 in the right hand side. This is what your matrix equation. Got it? The very first step, the matrix equation is Ax equal to b, where A is the coefficient of x y z, x is a variable x y z, and b is a constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation. Now augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is together of A and B. 2 minus 2 3 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2. The fourth column 2 3 1. This is augmented matrix A, B. Okay. Very first step, you want to bring into echelon form. Before that, the position A11, if it is 1, somewhat very comfortable to proceed the problem. I can bring A11 as 1 by interchanging R1 and R2. By interchanging R1 and R2, I will get the first row, first column element as 1. See, second row become first row. First row become second row. Third row as it is. Got it? I interchange R1 and R2 because I need in the place of A11 as 1, which is not necessary. Suppose if A11 is 1, which is somewhat very comfortable to proceed the problem. To bring into echelon form, the very first step, you want to bring zeros here. Here and here you want to bring 0 by using R1. Got it? See? Leave the first row. 1 2 minus 1 3. I need 0 here and here. What I am going to do? R2 in place. See, both are same sign. I want to subtract. R2 minus 2 times R1. R3 in place. Minus 3 times R1. See, I have 2 here. Multiply in R1. Subtract, I will get 0. I have 3 here. Multiply in R1. Subtract, I will get 0. Okay. See, R2. What is R2? 2 minus 2, 3, 2. 2 minus 2, 3, 2. R2. Minus 2 times R1. Just multiply minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. It gives 0, minus 6, 5, minus 4. 0, minus 6, 5, minus 4. Got it? R3 minus 3 times R1. R3. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. R3. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. Minus 3 times R1. Just multiply minus 3 in R1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9. It gives 0, minus 7, 5, minus 8. 0, minus 7, 5, minus 8. I got 0 here and here. Got it? So very first step, to bring in the echelon form, the position A11 as 1, I can interchange R1 and R2. I am getting A11 as 1. Second step, I want to bring zeros here by using R1. Same sign, I will subtract. I have 2 here, just multiply 2 in R1. I have 3 here, just multiply 3 in R1. When you subtract, you will get 0 and 0 here. Got it? Next step, you want to bring 0 here by using R2. Okay? Now, leave the first row as it is. Leave the second row as it is. I need 0 here. Both are same sign. So, I wanted to subtract. Next, I have 7 here, 6 here. Multiply 7 in R2. 6 in R3. Then I will get 0 here. See, both are same sign. I will subtract. I have 7 here, 6 here. To bring 0 here, we need same number. So just multiply 7 in R2, 6 in R3. Got it? 7 times R2. Do 7 times R2. 7 into 0, 0. 7 6 are 42 with minus. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28 with minus. Minus 6 into R3. 0. Minus into minus plus. 6 7s are 42. Minus into plus minus. 6 5s are 30. Minus into minus plus. 8 6 are 48. Add 0 0 5 and this is 20. 0 0 5 20. This is what? When you bring zeros like this, triangular shape of zeros, which is called as echelon form. After getting echelon form, if any two rows are proportional or identical, you want to continue this elementary operation. Just make a note. After getting a triangular shape of zeros, if any two rows are identical or proportional, you want to continue the elementary operation like this to bring some more zeros. Otherwise, just leave as it is. It is in echelon form. It is in echelon form. It can be written as 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 6 5 0 0 5 x y z, which is equal to the constant 3 minus 4 20. Got it? So very first step, matrix equation, then augmented matrix, bring into echelon form. First bring column 1 0, these two elements by using R1, next bring 0 here by using R2. Now multiply 1 into x, x, 2 into y, 2y, minus 1 into z minus z, which is equal to 3. Next 0 times x, 0, leave it, minus 6 into y plus 5 into z equal to minus 4. Next 5 into z equal to 20. I will take this is 1, 2 and 3. From equation 3 becomes z will be 4. When you divide this 5, I will get 4. Then equation 2 becomes minus 6 y. What is z? Z is 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 comes here, minus 20. So minus 6y equal to minus 24. Y will be 4. Got it? Equation 2 implies minus 6y. What is that value? 4. 5 4s are 20. Comes here minus 20. Minus 20 minus 4 minus 24. When you divide minus 6, it gives 4. Then 1 implies x. 2y. What is y? 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus z. What is z? 4. Minus 4, which gives 3. So x equal to 8 minus 4, 4. 4 comes here, minus 4. 3 minus 4, minus 1. So in this case, the values of x, y, z are minus 1, 4, 4. Got it? So I will repeat. Step 1. Write the matrix equation Ax equal to B, where A is a coefficient of x, y, z, x is a variable, B is a constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation. Next, augmented matrix. Write together A and B. Bring into echelon form. Okay. It is in echelon form. It can be written as reverse order. Ax equal to B. This is A, x equal to B. Multiply, you will get x, y, z, z, if it is in echelon form. So when you divide 5 here, you will get z value as 4. Substitute z value here, you will get y as 4. Substitute y value, z value in 1, you will get x value. So in this case, the value of x is minus 1, y is 4, z is 4. If you want to verify whether it is correct or not, the substitute in the linear equation, you will get the right hand side. It may satisfy. Is it clear? Not only one equation, just substitute it. Here you will get 2. When you substitute here, you will get 3. When you substitute here, you will get 1. This is the way you wanted to verify whether the solution is correct or not. Got it?